Looking for a way to streamline your tech support workflow? GoTo Resolve might be the answer, but is it the best fit for your team's needs? Stick around as we explore how GoTo Resolve for tech support can improve your operations and whether it's the best solution or if there's a better option out there. Let's dive in. First off, GoTo Resolve offers a comprehensive set of tools for IT and tech support. It's designed to help you manage remote troubleshooting, diagnostics, and support ticketing all in one place. It's definitely a solid tool for IT teams, especially with its ability to seamlessly integrate remote access, chat, and ticketing. However, while it can streamline the support process, there are a few things you might want to consider before fully committing. Next, while GoTo Resolve is intuitive to use, some users have mentioned that its interface can feel a little cluttered. You'll find everything you need, but it might take a little bit of time to get used to the layout, especially if you're used to more minimalistic designs. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. The third thing to consider is its pricing structure. While GoTo Resolve provides solid tech support features, its cost can be a bit on the higher side for smaller businesses or teams just starting out. For a business that's looking to streamline workflows on a budget, there are alternatives that might provide similar value for less. Now, the remote access capabilities. This is where GoTo Resolve shines. It allows you to quickly jump into a user's machine for troubleshooting. It's fast, easy, and efficient. However, the tool can struggle when it comes to handling multiple sessions at once. If your team is running a high volume of support tickets, you might find yourself needing a more robust system to manage that load. The fifth thing I'll mention is the integration with third-party tools. GoTo Resolve integrates well with a few essential apps, but if you rely on a broad range of software, you might run into compatibility issues. That's something to think about if your workflow depends on several different platforms. And the sixth thing is its customer support. While GoTo support is generally responsive, some users have pointed out that it can be hard to find detailed solutions for more specific technical problems. So, you might need to rely on the community or support forums for troubleshooting, which can be a bit of a hassle. But don't worry, there are alternatives that might be better suited for your needs. Stick around to the end to hear about some options that could streamline your workflow even more effectively. So, should you go with GoTo Resolve for tech support? It's definitely a contender, but there are other tools that might suit your business needs better. If you're looking for more flexible pricing, more integrations, or a smoother user experience, you might want to explore other options. Before you make a decision, though, I have a special treat for you. Through our exclusive link, you can get an extended free trial of GoTo Resolve, plus some great benefits that aren't available to everyone. But don't rush into a decision yet. Stay tuned for a few alternatives that might be even more effective for streamlining your workflow, and guess what? They also come with free trials. Check the link in the description for all the details.